That, I mean, as I understand, that weighed on your minds at that time,
Mr. Sikandar,
And
which I find very difficult to understand. A body which
And
is a
this was
constitutional body.
And my lord, in a very, very lighter vein, may I start by saying that in this case, as my lord Mr. Justice Munib Akhtar had observed, my lord, it's the Election Commission which is always running to 2183, and it is the first case in which the appellates and the bench are relying on 82-183
Rightly
and
so.
reminding us. This was a light comment, my lord, but factually correct.
I want to conclude this.
My lord, I will go back. Sir,
Sikandar Sahab,
Sikandar
once
Sahab,
again,
देखिए,
day before yesterday,
इस
I have said that we are here hearing the appeal under Article
185(3).
There are only 2 appeals before this court.
Absolutely, sir.
And nor a single matter of allotment of single symbol or PTI is before us in these matters. 90% of the arguments and the questions relating to, I am astonished how this is going on. What is the substance of the appeal and what is in issue? Respond on that. There is a judgment, 5-member judgment of the High Court.
My lord, I bow to what my lord has said. I bow to what my lord had said.
That is relevant.
My lord,
You have
it's
to
very
decide
relevant.
whether that judgment is correct or incorrect.
My lord, and I had submitted this on my last state of hearing, that very politely I had submitted that the ECP did satisfy 5 learned judges, and all the judgment is suspended. I don't contest that, but that is not being taken into consideration. That my actions and my decisions were not so absurd or fantastic that the 5 judges should have also then thrown me out, sir. They unanimously endorsed my decision too, and this is, and until now, with utmost respect, not one, it has not even been the endeavor of the appellant to open the impugned judgment. Here there is, the impugned judgment is the 5-member bench judgment. The CPLA says
इधर
वापस आ जाए ना।
against
Mr.
judgment dated 25.
Mr. Sikandar,
you want us to, Mr. Sikandar,
Mr. Sikandar, this is a question of first impression as earlier. We're expounding
So,
the
my lord, but इसका ये मतलब तो नहीं है कि
we are at the apex court, we're expounding the constitution.
I
Don't tell us
bow-
about the 5-member bench. It's neither binding nor persuasive on us. We don't need to look at it.
ठीक है जी।
We need to look at the issue. We're expounding the constitution.
But
It's
the
first
issue,
impression
my lord,
case.
all I'm saying
Have
is
some patience.
that-
Don't
sorry.
rush through the matters thinking that उन्होंने 5 member ने कह दिया तो सोच लें. There's a serious issue here. We want to understand
Fair enough.
that nominations filed by a political party they can't be simply disenfranchised just because you think a symbol cannot be given to them. ये बड़ी आसानी से आपने बड़ी जल्दी में dismiss कर दिया सारे question को, और आपने कहा क्योंकि symbol नहीं मिल सकता था हमने सोचा कि बस को independent कर दें, not realizing the impact of that, you see. And how,
Can I ask the question which is directly related to this?
इसका जवाब देना, आप कैसे सोच रहे थे, आप constitutional
I think-
body हैं,
जी,
इतना बड़ा सब फैसला कैसे कर
Sir,
लिया?
उनको, I think the बड़ा
You left
फैसला
it to
was
ROs. I mean, never sat as a body.
My humble submission is that the election commission saw the
चलो ये
solution
बता दें,
in
just adding to that,
these
ये बता दें
candidates
कि when
contesting
this
as
problem
independents.
cropped up, was this taken up seriously by the Election Commission of Pakistan? Did you sit down and talk about it? And are there minutes to
But I
this?
can ask the Director
पूछें?
General Law.
Were there minutes? Did you deliberate on this question, or you left it to the ROs for this entire national election of the
No,
country?
sir, it was fixed for hearing. And
नहीं, आपने अपना डिसीजन कैसे लिया इस बात पे
With
कि
regard to-
सिंबल नहीं होगा तो इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाएगा? आपने फैसला किया ना, ईसीपी ने कहाँ बैठ के किया, दिखाए ना, कब बैठे, कब मीटिंग की इस बात पे?
जी सर, मैं लेट मी चेक द रिकॉर्ड जरूर।
बल्कि उससे पहले रिकॉर्ड चेक
क्या
करने से
आपको
पहले
इतना basic सवाल पूछ
रिकॉर्ड
रहे हैं?
चेक करने से पहले ये बता दें कि क्या आपके पास ये इख्तियार है कि आप किसी को इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर कर दें?
So sir, it is for the RO. He has
No,
to-
no, no,
there
not for
are-
the RO. It is for the candidate and the party. That's all. ये दो अफराद के दरमियान एग्रीमेंट है.
Then
Who are
the
you?
provision of 60,
Who are
section
you?
66(3) will be redundant.
अच्छा चलें सेक्शन 63 के हवाले से ये बता दें कि जब
67(3)
आप ऑल राइट इसके हवाले से ये बता दें कि जब कैंडिडेट ने आपको एक फॉर्म ए दिया हुआ है और आपकी चार्ट के मुताबिक वो स्टेटमेंट उसने एक पर्टिकुलर पार्टी एफिलिएशन दी है, उसके बाद उसने जो डिक्लेरेशन दी है वो भी उसने एक पार्टी एफिलिएशन दी है. सो देन व्हेन यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ डिक्लेयरिंग हिम इंडिपेंडेंट, वेयर डू यू नॉट रिक्वायर एनी विड्रॉल फ्रॉम हिम? क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल दैट्स गिवन ऑन एन एफिडेविट ना, इट्स अ स्worn एफिडेविट. उसने तो कहा आई बिलोंग टू अ पर्टिकुलर पार्टी एंड आपने कहा कि नहीं, नाउ यू डोंट बिलोंग टू अ पार्टी, यू आर एन इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट. सो डज योर प्रोसेस रिक्वायर दैट कैंडिडेट टू बी confronted or be asked to withdraw that affidavit, yeah, that just stays there and creates further confusion on the matter because you're relying heavily on this affidavit.
आप ये जवाब बेहतर दे सकते हैं.
तो you're relying heavily on this affidavit जो उसने पहले दिन जमा करा दिया कि मैं इस पार्टी से बिलोंग कर. उसके बाद आपने उससे नहीं कहा कि तुम ये विड्रॉ कर रहे हो या तुम ये वापस ले रहे हो, बट आपने कहा अब तुम इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए हो. सो देन
आप कैसे
प्रोसेस क्या है आपका? डोंट यू वांट टू नो? एक एफिडेविट वहां पड़ा हुआ है, वो नहीं कह रहा कि मैं दिखा दे कानून में. showing us you're relying on the affidavits given and then when you declare them independent, चले आपने कर दिया, बट आप withdrawal नहीं मांगते कि जी तुम पहले बताओ कि are you going to withdraw this affiliation or are you going to stick to your affiliation? Because for at least speaking for myself, if you're not going to do all of that, then showing us his original form and showing us his statements are of no consequence. क्योंकि आपने तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं देखा ना, उस फॉर्म ए की अब क्या हैसियत है जिस पर उसने एफिडेविट दिया.
Leadership, may I refer to page 233 in just an endeavor to perhaps answer?
Which page?
In 233 of my concise statement.
Your concise
that will be
statement.
Part 1, Part 2.
उसका नंबर बता.
Part 2 of CMA 5840.
Okay.
Page 233.
अली बुखारी ये लेटर है.
That's right. Leadership, may I just start from the beginning at 218 and just show this
218?
set perhaps?
देखिए अगर एक
Just endeavoring
अगर
to assist my
एक
lord.
मरतबा अगर हम प्रिंसिपल समझ लें, ये इंडिविजुअल के केस बाद में उसको
But may, sir, because there
देखिए
4 different kinds of approaches have been taken.
देखिए सिंपल
Please
बात
मुझे ये दिखाने
जो
दें,
आपसे सिंपल बात पूछ रहे हैं, सिंपल बात ये है कि ये एग्रीमेंट पार्टी और कैंडिडेट के बीच में होता है कि वो इंडिपेंडेंट होगा या पार्टी एफिलेटेड होगी. पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि क्या आपको कानून के किस शिक के तहत ये इख्तियार हासिल है कि आप किसी को डिक्लेयर कर दें कि यू आर फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड यू आर इंडिपेंडेंट नंबर 1. दूसरा
आप मतलब 67(3) में आपने सोचा ना,
I take it my
आपकी यही
question is
पोजीशन है
not
ना.
going to be answered.
सिकंदर साहब
I take it that my question is not going to be answered and doesn't require an answer.
बस सिकंदर साहब ये तो
Because this is the third time I've asked the
Leadership,
same.
page
बस stuck on the
233 बता रहे थे आप उनके क्वेश्चन के जवाब.
218 से मैं शुरू करूं leadership.
नहीं, आप जो भी शुरू करें
नहीं उनकी पोजीशन.
इनके क्वेश्चन के जवाब दें.
मिस्टर सिकंदर, लेट मी सॉल्व दिस डिस्कशन. आपका पोजीशन ये है ना कि 67(3) में
मेरी
बाइनरी
position-
इफेक्ट से
मैं 67(3)
आप
पे
बाइनरी
issue
लेंथ से देख रहे हैं
मैं
सर, या
binary length से
ये
देखता
इधर है
हूं, बिल्कुल.
और बस वो नहीं था तो ये हो गया, क्योंकि सिंबल नहीं था तो
I
हमने
do.
समझा इंडिपेंडेंट.
I do.
बस
For whatever it's worth,
बस सिर्फ
with
एक
utmost
सवाल का
respect,
जवाब नहीं
yes.
आया कि वो आपने जब ये सोचा सारा कुछ कब सोचा.
ठीक है जी.
वो जरा
I'll
बता
ask the Director General.
Was there ever a meeting? Because I want to know how the constitutional
Of course,
body
fair
of
enough.
Election Commission of Pakistan
enough.
works on such a big decision.
Can I just show the letter on page 233, which has sometimes been
Yes, Sikandar Saab. Sorry, before going to that letter, is this understanding correct that a major political party was excluded from the election process merely because the Election Commission of Pakistan grossly misinterpreted the judgment of this court?
My lord,
Is that understanding correct?
no, my lord, with utmost respect, my lord, my response is no. Respectfully, that understanding is not correct. That is not my
एक
understanding.
second, your interpretation of that judgment, आप कहते हैं वो दुरुस्त था.
बिल्कुल जी.
So when the bench itself is telling you that your interpretation was wrong,
Right now, my lord, that those are observations. There's no judgment which has been issued,
आपसे
and there is a review pending against
देखिए
that
ऐसे
judgment.
करते
And
हैं,
I
there is a factual
will not.
there's a factual issue. पहले जरा factual पे आ जाए.
आपने जो लिस्ट दी है
ये टेबल
जी 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 आपकी सारी बातें हम मान लेते हैं। ठीक है। इसमें 6 ऐसे हैं जिनने डिक्लेरेशन नहीं दी, बिल्कुल 3 ऐसे हैं जिनने डिक्लेरेशन भी दी और सर्टिफिकेट भी दिया है।